HTML element attributes and DOM properties. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are HTML elements and their attributes, what is DOM and its properties, what is the difference between these two, understand this difference with simple example program, and see how Angular works with these properties and attributes. First of all, what are HTML elements and attributes? Any web page or component template has a set of HTML elements. Basically, these HTML elements are used to display some content on a web page when it is loaded by the browser. Let's take simple example input HTML element. This is used to display some text box where user can enter some text. All these HTML elements has some set of attributes to provide some additional information. In case of input, value is one attribute where it represents the current value of the input. Max length is another attribute where it represents the maximum number of characters allowed in the text box. Generally, we represent these attributes as key value pairs. Then what is DOM and its properties? When a specific HTML file is loaded by the browser internally creates DOM. DOM represents document object model. Each element in HTML element has the corresponding object in this DOM. These objects are represented in a tree structure, where each object contains some properties, methods, and events. The browser uses this DOM as application programming interface so that any programming languages like Java, Script, or Angular uses this API to modify the content uh, in DOM by adding, by removing, by changing some properties of DOM. Okay, let us try to understand the same thing with simple block diagram. Simply HTML file is created. It has head and body tags where head has a title element and the body has a input element, and it has two properties, type and value. When it is loaded by the browser creates the DOM in tree structure of objects. Root node is HTML. Within that, head and body are the children. Head has one child title. Body has one child input. Here, input has two properties, type and value. Uh, by seeing this diagram, we can understand that attributes are different from properties. Attributes are belongs to the HTML and properties belongs to the DOM. Okay. Uh, each attribute in HTML element has the corresponding property in DOM. This is not all cases. Some attributes doesn't have corresponding property in DOM. Okay. Then these are the difference. Basically, what we need to understand, both are not same. Okay. Attributes are generally used to initialize the DOM properties. So the DOM initialization is completed. There is no job for the attribute. Okay, whatever changes we are doing with Angular or JavaScript, that we are doing, we are changing the properties of DOM, not the attributes. Attribute values cannot be changed. Okay, in case of Angular, we should understand this difference to understand data binding in better way. Whenever we are using the data binding or we are changing the some values on web page, that means we are changing the properties of uh, DOM. We are not changing the attributes of HTML elements. Okay, as we discussed, some attributes doesn't have corresponding property in DOM. For example, call span attribute of table element doesn't have corresponding property in DOM. In such cases, Angular uses attribute binding, that also we are going to discuss in another video. Okay, let us try to understand this difference with simple example program. Yeah, this is the simple program which was created by using CLI. Okay, these are the files automatically created. This is the component, app component. Let me open this. Okay, next HTML element. This is the content where it will display on browser. Let me change this to simplify. Let me add input element as we discussed. Then value. Let me add some text here. Max length. Let me add some 10 characters. Okay, this is the simple HTML element. It has uh, three attributes. Okay, let me try to run it. Yeah, compiled successfully. Let me see the output here. Yeah, we can see that uh, value is JSON and some input text box is created. Okay, as we have given a max length as 10 characters, let me try to add some characters. Okay, once it is exiting the 10 characters, it is not allowing to give the text, input text. Okay, now let us try to understand the difference between attributes and DOM. DOM is internally created by the browser, but by using JavaScript, we can manipulate or we can access the properties values of DOM. Okay, let us try to understand the difference. The basic difference is both are different and attributes cannot be changed, and those are used to initialize the DOM. Properties can be changed. Generally, by using the Angular, we are going to change the properties of DOM. We are not going to change the attributes of HTML elements. Let me try to uh, find the same thing with the simple example program. We need to open developer tools, right click, click on inspect. Here we can see the, let me open the console. Here we can write the simple JavaScript statements and we can see the output. Okay, let me add one ID attribute. Generally, this is used to identify this specific input element uniquely. Let me give that student name, stud name. Let me copy this. Now, I want to get the attribute of this. We have get attribute function in JavaScript where we can give the attribute name. Okay, value I want to get. Okay, as we have given current value as JSON, it is showing value. Okay, now if I want to get DOM value corresponding property value, DOM property value, I have to give value. Yeah, we can see that both values are same. Suppose if I'm changing something here, okay, here I change it to JSON ST. Okay, let me try to find what are the values of attribute and DOM property. First, I'm taking the attribute value. Here we can see that attribute value haven't changed. Okay, if I am taking DOM value, I can see the current value as JSON ST. That means attributes cannot be changed. Only DOM properties can be changed. With Angular, we will work always with the properties. If some attributes doesn't have the corresponding property. How Angular works we will discuss in attribute binding. Thank you.